ladies and gentlemen, please, once again, help us welcome to the stage the President of the Brown Laureate, Dr. K.K. Johan.
Only one name that aptly describes him. He was the father of brand Singapore. LKY, Lee Kuan Yew, was a good, successful brand story. 1 month ago, we have decided to feature him on the Brand Laureate Business World Review as our cover story. That's needless to say, we were the first one to acknowledge him as the father of brand Singapore. We are so proud that our magazine is the first to hit the shelf of bookstores and newsstands before any other publication tonight. And you are very honored tonight to be the first to receive a first complimentary copy. Look at the magazine that we have given it to you, the cover story of the late Lee Kuan Yew. Singapore is a country brand that is highly respected in the world. World Bank reports that Singapore is the most preferred destination for investment and business, a global financial center. Brand Singapore has a positive and a high perception level, a brand that scores highly in almost all fields and disciplines. Ladies and gentlemen, just ponder for a minute. What is Singapore without branding? Where will Singapore be without branding? Lee Kuan Yew, the father of brand Singapore, had a vision, wisdom, lots of guts, which is important to build a strong brand. He had the courage, the confidence to steer against the tides, overcome opposition and challenges to do what is right for his country, Singapore. Yes, Lee Kuan Yew did what he thought would be good for Singapore. Every policy and initiative he introduced was to build the country brand. He was competitive, which is what a good brand master must be. He was strict and no-nonsense leader, which is important to build brand discipline. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do and not what to do. Most important, he understood that branding is a race to beat your competitors and reach the finishing line and be the first mover advantage. Look at where Singapore is today, the only developed nation in ASEAN, the 4th largest financial center in the world, an integrated resort city that offers the latest in lifestyle living with its multitude of attractions, and foreign investors and tourists flock to the country every day just to enjoy their attraction. Singapore Asian model has been driving successfully the Asian economies forward. Singapore is a global city, one of the most livable and expensive cities in the world. My friend, I brought this as an example to encourage you that there are many lessons that you and I can learn from brand Singapore. The success of brand Singapore is a very good example, especially for you SMEs tonight. Just like Singapore, a small island, a small country, but with a big global brand. Small should not be a setback and an obstacle. We should not let uncertainties dictate us, but rather